Hi viewers, welcome to I.T Insider. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly check if your Microsoft Office is activated. This method works for Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft 365. So, let's get started. First, open any Microsoft Office application. For this tutorial, I'll be using Microsoft Word. Once Word opens, click Account at the bottom of the left-hand menu. If you don't see the menu, click File and then select Account. Under the Product Information section, you'll see your activation status. If your copy of Office is activated, you'll see Product Activated. If it isn't activated, you may see Activation Required or Unlicensed Product. You can also confirm which Microsoft account is currently signed in from this page. And that's it. That's the quickest way to check whether your Microsoft Office installation is activated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft Office, Windows, and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.